Hi guys, in this video I will show how to solve this problem, this PHP update recommended. Now we go to our cpanel. In cpanel, type here search bar PHP version. Select PHP version. Then click extension. Click here 8.7.4 is current. Now we change 8.1. Then apply. Eight point one is current. Now we go to our dashboard and reload this site. Now this problem has solved. Now PHP update is okay. 8.1 is current. But after some period, that means 6 months or 1 year, it can be changed. It may be 8.2 or 3 or something. But that means something will be changed after some time. Now, PHP update problem has gone. If it is useful, then like and subscribe. Bye bye. See you next.